Hello my friends, today we'll talk about Roxon like multi-tool, like keychain device. Here you can put it here like with those back like gentleman knife. Now let's see what we have here. So that's very interesting how you get tool from inside with those one. For example, I want scissors. Get it here. And they are fixed. Very strong knife. For example, get this one manual. Absolutely no problem. That's cool. Also, how to put it back. Second one button, this one button, second one button. And put it here. Next one, for example, knife. Also it fixing. Not big, but for example, I will compare it sometimes with my Victorinox classical locks. Just compare the little dirty cores. There are a lot of different cases where I need even this small knife. And here we have really bigger and not slip joint like in case of Wix, but here we have really bigger Phillips bit, nail, and you see inches and centimeters. Next one, what I will show you, where is it? Here. Bottle opener and can opener and ordinary bit, which I also don't have in my Wix, and sometimes I really need it. And here we have this magnet connection with those interesting part. Also tool for your nail. Where is it? I will show you on this one plastical card. That's cool. And again put it here. Why is it here? I think would be better to use it not on your keychain, but inside this bag. It's low cost, at least it costs the same like classical SD, maybe even less. In description and in the first comment you can find link where you can order it, Roxon, and will be link for full text review where I will test it in different cases on a photo. What also are interesting, this one's like a monster, save the ocean. My new watch, love it, testing it, review would be in a week or about it. Thank you for watching, put like, subscribe for my channel, and you will see a lot of new reviews. Bye bye.